Ugh, sneezes are gross. But what about sneeze art? You're gonna need paper, an outside place that you can get messy, paint, and some squirters. Those are going to be your sneezers. Fill up your squirters with paint. Experiment with which ones make the best sneezes. Some of them might not work as well. After you've sneezed a few times, measure your sneezes and see how far they've gone. Do big droplets travel farther than small ones? Experiment a little bit and see if you can figure out how to prevent sneezes from spreading disease. Share your beautiful sneeze art with the hashtag CoBuild19 or on the CoBuild19 Facebook group.